Firstly, we have to open the bonnet. Pull the catch, go around and open. Then remove the cap off the brake and clutch fluid. Place jack underneath car and raise, just until the tyre is slightly touching the floor. Loosen the bolts. Then raise the jack till the tyre is off the floor. Then remove the bolts. When I remove the tyre, I stick it underneath the side of the car just in case the jack should fall, therefore it won't destroy the brakes. The bolts you can see here, one at the bottom and one at the top, need to be removed so that the caliper can be removed from the disc. If the bolts are slightly tight, you can use an extender bar to extend and get more pressure. Remove the two bolts and the caliper should remove from the disc quite easily. Sometimes it just needs a little wiggle. The socket used is an 18mm, the same socket that was used to remove the wheel nuts from the wheel. The old brake pads are removed very easily by popping out. New ones are replaced. The one with the caliper needs to be put in with the pins inside the caliper. The other one on the outside of the disc is just a flat plate that clips into the brackets. The caliper piston needs to be pushed back in order to give enough clearance for the new pads. For this I just used a bar, put it inside and pressed it back. To align the pads inside the caliper, I placed them in as good as I could, then used a screwdriver and pliers to place them. Inserting the rear pad into the caliper can be quite tricky, but with a bit of perseverance, it can be done. Once the pads are in place, make sure they're nice and straight. Place the caliper back onto the disc and and insert the 2 bolts 18mm into the back, one at the top and one at the bottom. Once these are done up nice and tight, you can make them securely tight with the extender bar, then they shouldn't move anyway. At this point I realigned the axle so that the wheel would fit on properly, but I know you shouldn't do this with the jack underneath. Only did it because I know that the car is safe and secure. Replace the wheel onto the nuts. Reinstall the lug nuts, then tighten. Ensure the nuts are tight with the extender bar. Lower the jack down till the tyre touches the floor. Then give the nuts an extra tighten with the extender bar. Once the new brake pads and tyre are fully installed back onto the car, the brake and clutch fluid may need to be lowered. So you may also need to bleed the brakes to make sure that there's no air in the system. After this, everything is complete. Thanks for watching.